I'm doing a video, unboxing video for Kingdom Hearts Birth by Sleep. Got the game today from GameStop. And here it is. Pretty cool. This is if you don't know, this is Ventus. If I'm pointing at him. This is Ventus, Mickey, Aqua, and Terra. On the back we have Ventus, Terra, and Aqua. And it says, Destiny is never left to chance. Play as Terra, Ventus, and Aqua, three friends with a common dream who find themselves in the middle of a crisis affecting worlds far beyond their own. Their destinies will unfold across memorable Disney worlds in three intertwining stories. Secrets will be unraveled and friendships will be tested. The Kingdom Hearts saga starts here. Get a better view of that. Right here we have Ventus and Tinkerbell. Terra doing some magic probably. And we have Aqua talking with Stitch. There's nothing at the bottom, as you can probably see. And the side just says Kingdom Hearts Birth by Sleep, PSP. Time to open it. I opened this game before because I got excited when I bought it. And it's just some member card thing. I don't think I'm gonna go on it. I still won't give you a code. And the booklet, there's nothing on the back. The booklet, it's the same as the cover. This. I'm not gonna show you the whole book. I hate this screen. Let me go to the first page. It has like 5 paragraphs, and I don't want to read you guys to sleep. And the last page, probably nothing. Well, I guess there's nothing. Oh. Here the characters' bios. Well, here's Ventus, an outgoing and inquisitive boy who holds his Keyblade backhand. Quick attacks are his forte. Aqua, a kind young woman whose sense of right and wrong never wavers. She is nimble and a gifted mage. Terra, a disciplined young man who feels compelled to find greater strength. He relies on brute force in combat. Master Iroquois or something like that. It's Japanese. Terra Ventus, and Aqua's teacher, a kind Keyblade master with ironclad principles. Master Xehanort. Yeah, this video's getting too long. Another Keyblade master who puts a forbidding edge on his words and actions. Venteus. Master Xehanort's only pupil. Only pupil. And a mask conceals his face. King Mickey. You already know. The king of Disney Castle, who has gone back for further study under the great sorcerer Yancy. Well, that's it, guys. Sorry if this video was long. I know this is my first unboxing video. Thanks for watching. Put a like button, put a thumbs up button, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.